Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Moto G04. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then type in on your search bar and type in Firefox. And click search, and now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign into your account, or you can click not now. And now you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now. And now your Firefox browser is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.